Hi, and welcome to the Kindred Way. Today we're going to be making Andrea's ranch pepper crackers. And I call it that because my friend Andrea gave me this recipe, and it's so easy to make, so this video won't take very long, but it's going to be worth it. The first thing that you want to do is get a gallon Ziploc bag. And you're going to use 3 sleeves of crackers. So we're going to open these up and put them in our gallon bag. All right, there's one. They're good. They're a little spicy. You do put red pepper in this, and the recipe calls for 2 teaspoons, but as you know, if you like it spicier, you add more. If you don't, you do less. All right. There's our second sleeve. You would think that I would have cut these open already, huh? Okay. Okay, so we have 3 sleeves of crackers in our gallon bag. The next thing that you need is 1.5 cups of vegetable oil. Do not use olive oil. In the measuring cup, we're going to put in 1 package of ranch dip. I can get anything open today. Okay, we're going to pour that in. We're going to put in 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of red pepper. We're going to stir this up, and I just keep everything in the measuring cup because I don't want to dirty anything else. So we're going to stir this up really well. And now we're going to pour it into our gallon bag. Make sure you get it all in there because some things sink to the bottom even in that short amount of time. Okay, we're going to close this. See all that at the bottom? So we're going to turn this and turn it upside down. And we want to get all these crackers wet. Now this takes about 24 hours for all this to soak into these crackers. Okay, so you can see it moving. You see all that oil? So what I do is I just leave this, and every time I come in the kitchen for the next 24 hours, I just kind of turn it over every time so that all the crackers get every bit of this absorbed into them. So when you're finished and your 24 hours is up, your crackers are going to look like this. And you probably think they're going to be soggy, but no, they're not. They're very crisp, and they taste so good. I say that about every recipe. Anyway, let it sit for 24 hours. You'll know when it's finished because there won't be any more oil. And you enjoy this. It's great as an appetizer, great for a party, and I hope you enjoy it.